Welcome to Igoro Tech channel. In this video, I will show you how to stop or disable automatic updates on Windows 10. Windows updates are essential to keep your PC safe, secure, and efficient. But for those who have an expensive and limited internet connection, these huge downloads of updates may seem annoying. Or if you tend to see more problems than benefits during updates, or you have a good reason to use a computer unpatched, depending on your edition of Windows 10, you can disable automatic updates using the following methods. How to disable automatic updates with settings. If you want to skip a specific update, you do not need to disable Windows Update permanently. Instead, you should pause updates until the next patch day arrives. The Settings app includes an option to stop system updates for up to 35 days on Windows 10 Home and Pro. To disable automatic updates temporarily, use these steps. Open Settings. Click on Update and Security. Click on Windows Update. Click the Advanced Options button. Under the Pause Updates section, use the drop-down menu and select how long to disable updates. Once you complete the steps, updates will no longer download until the day you specified. When the computer reaches the pause limit, you will need to install the latest patch available to make the option available again. You can always undo the changes with the exact instructions, but on Pause Until section, choose the Select Date option. Alternatively, you can accomplish the same effect by clicking the Resume Updates button on the Windows Update page. How to disable automatic updates with Group Policy. The local group policy editor available on Windows 10 Pro includes policies to permanently disable automatic updates or change the Windows Update settings to decide when patches should be installed on the computer. To disable automatic updates on Windows 10 permanently, use these steps. On the search box, type gpedit.msc and click the top result to launch the local group policy editor. Navigate to the following path. Select Computer Configuration, Administrative Templates, Windows Components, then Windows Update. Then double-click the Configure Automatic Updates policy on the right side. Check the disabled option to turn off automatic updates permanently on Windows 10. Click the Apply button. Click the OK button. After you complete the steps, the system will stop downloading updates automatically. However, the ability to check for updates manually will continue to be available on Windows Update. If you want to enable automatic updates on the device again, you can use the exact instructions outlined above, but make sure to select the Not Configured option. Another way is by selecting Enabling under Configure Automatic Updates and Settings Limits under the options. To do this, check the Enable option to turn on the policy. Under the Options section, select the option to prevent updates from downloading and installing automatically on Windows 10. 2. Notify for download and auto-install. 3. Auto-download and notify for install. 4. Auto-download and schedule the install. 5. Allow local admin to choose setting. 7. Auto-download, notify to install, notify to restart. Quick tip, the best option to disable automatic updates is number 2, which is notify for download and auto-install option, but you can make a different selection. If you choose option number 2, updates won't download automatically. Instead, in the Windows Update settings page, you will now see an Install Now button to manually trigger an update. Then click the Apply button to apply the changes. Click the OK button. Once you complete the steps, automatic updates will be permanently disabled on Windows 10. However, when new updates become available, you will be able to install them manually from the Windows Update settings page. You can also disable automatic updates using the services. To disable Windows Update in the services, follow the steps. Type services.msc in Start menu, then hit Enter. In the Services app, scroll down the services until you find the Windows Update service. Double-click on it. This will bring up Windows Update properties. Now in the General tab, under the Startup Type drop-down menu, select Disabled and click Apply. Now, click on the Stop button. Click OK. That's it. Windows Update is disabled. Note, it is recommended that you don't disable Windows updates if you use the genuine Windows and have a good internet connection. This covers 3 ways on how to disable Windows Update. If you found this tutorial is helpful, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day.